Are you fed up with draining your bank account on expensive monthly subscriptions for funnel and landing page creators? Frustrated by their lackluster performance and disappointing engagement rates? Consider this. Why continue throwing money at tools that underdeliver when there's a better alternative? It's time to breathe a sigh of relief because we have the solution you've been waiting for. Introducing WP-Funnels, the world's ultimate WordPress-based funnel builder that creates 50,000 plus ultra-fast, profitable funnels, sales pages, checkout pages, and much more hosted on your own servers at an unbeatable, low one-time price. Finally, say goodbye to expensive funnel creators. Here's why marketers love WP-Funnels. Never seen before, WP Funnel Builder creates 50,000 plus professional sales funnels, landing pages, etc. in 3 clicks. Everything is hosted on your own servers. Boost branding with zero dependency on third-party servers. Instantly create high-converting funnels with landing page, sales page, checkout, cart, upsell, downsell, thank you page, etc. without even a single line of code or design skills. Use world's most innovative drag-and-drop page builder to edit anything in few seconds. Supports global payment gateways to sell easily anywhere in the world. Get tons of amazing free plugins to drive maximum leads and sales using WP-Funnels. Unmatched WooCommerce integration to work seamlessly with all major platforms. Connect any autoresponder in a flash and make the most from your leads on the fly. Smartly create industry-standard funnels and landing pages from one easy-to-use dashboard. Stop paying monthly to third-party platforms. Get exclusive commercial license to create and sell profitable funnels, landing pages, bonus pages, etc. to globally scattered audience. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. Just imagine the kind of growth prospects in store without any designing skills or prior experience. It's all going to soon become your reality. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into WP-Funnels. Step 2. Create mind-blowing sales funnels either from scratch or choose from ready-to-use sales funnels even when you're on the go. Step 3. Sell and profit. Go ahead and use WP-Funnels to create tons of profitable sales funnels, landing pages, etc. with zero third-party subscriptions and just under $20 for limitless use with commercial license with lifetime access. Feeling lured? Check the link in the description to watch WP-Funnels in action now.